Hello everyone, Standard 9 History, Lesson number 4, Economic Development, Nationalization of Banks. Now let us see, during the tenure means working period of Prime Ministers Pandit Nehru and Lal Bahadur Shastri, all the banks were in private sector and they had a monopoly. The directors of these banks were interested in providing loans to the big industries so that those industries can make profit and the banks can get better interest. But in order to stop this, the government decided to nationalize some of the banks. Now, in 1955, Imperial Bank was nationalized and renamed State Bank of India. Now, the State Bank of India opened several branches all over India in a short while. Now, let us study the background of nationalization. As India adopted the policy of mixed economy, it was essential to nationalize some of the banks so that while implementing any scheme, if there are any losses, the government can cover those losses, or through the nationalized banks, the government can give financial help to the people, poor people especially. Now, another intention was if these banks make any profit, the profit would go to the government. Now, Lal Bahadur Shastri undertook the experiment of Green Revolution. Now, Green Revolution means an effort to increase the production of food grain. Now, for the same, the farmers were provided with chemical fertilizers, pesticides, and better seeds. During the tenure of Prime Minister Indira Gandhi, Congress Forum for Socialist Action, a group in the Congress party inspired by socialist ideas, also supported the idea of nationalization of banks. And due to the same, the nationalization of banks took place. Now let us see what are the 20-point program. Prime Minister Indira Gandhi announced the 20-point program on 1st July 1975 and resolved to make efforts towards rapidly becoming a developed nation. Now, out of 20 points, some of the points we are going to discuss here. Land ceiling for cities and agricultural land. Equal division of wealth, minimum wages for workers, increase in water conservation schemes. Land ceiling means restrictions on utilization of land for construction and agriculture. Minimum wages means returns or money given to the workers. Minimum amount should be given to a worker for a specific work. Workers' participation in industry. National training scheme and freeing bonded laborers. Bonded laborers means those are working on a contract. Prevention of tax evasion. Evasion means avoiding, escaping from paying tax. Economic crimes and smuggling. Number 4, regulation of prices of basic necessities, improvements in the public distribution system. Public distribution system means where the government distributes food grain or other commodities to the poor people. Improvement in the textile industry by developing handloom sector, weaving looms for weaker section, housing, communication facilities, making educational equipment available to schools. So, these are some of the points under 20-point program run by Prime Minister Indira Gandhi. Okay, and in the upcoming video, we will discuss about issues of workers. Thank you very much.